This is a P-38 pistol manual. See how many pages this thing has before we ever get started. See how many pages? I don't know. It's got, yeah, I'll get there. It's got 49 pages. Anyway, it's a little manual. Tells you about your P-38 pistol. Got assembly, disassembly, and it's a copyrighted book. GM Enterprises says. Anyway, it's got pictures on just about every page, I guess. Pictures and illustrations, instructions. Well, it looks like it's got a bunch of stuff in it. Every page has got pictures and illustrations, got breakdowns. Shows how to dismantle it. Shows how to assemble it. Anyway, like I say, it's got information on every page. So, by the way, this book's printed in the United States. We don't do much in the States anymore. This thing's printed in the United States, says GM Enterprises. Anyway, I sell these, and I sell them with a satisfaction guarantee. If you buy one and you don't like it for any reason, you send it back and I'll refund your money, no problem.